Hey and what's up guys, my name is Jacob and you're watching TechJ. So in today's video I'll be showing you one of the best PC games that you can play on your device, and the games that I'm going to mention in this video are the games that I've at least played twice on my device. So yes, these are the one of the best games that I'm going to show you. So before starting today's video, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and also click onto that bell icon as well. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Well, people say old is gold, so I thought why not take GTA 5 as the first game over here. Well, GTA 5 was launched in 2013, and the best part about this game is that we get to play three characters who are Franklin, Trevor, and Michael. Well, Franklin is a type of guy who wants to roam around the streets, basically wants to chill with his homies, whereas Trevor is a type of guy who does not know what he's doing and is lost in his own world. Whereas Michael is a type of guy who wants to protect his family, but somehow he couldn't due to some reasons. Well, apart from this, when all of these three people come together, they take out pretty good missions, heist, and do some pretty good robbery as well. Well, the second game that we have on our list is Far Cry 3. Well, Far Cry 3 is a first person open world shooting game which was launched in 2012, and this game was published by Ubisoft. Well, talking about this game, the character that we get to play in this game is Jason Brody, who goes to an island to do some party with his friends, but unfortunately, he gets trapped with Vaas's people, and to save his friends, he has to kill Vaas as well as Hoyt. And talking about the graphics is pretty good for a low end PC. Well, talking about the third game that we have on our list is Far Cry 5 and Far Cry New Dawn. The reason that I'm taking both these games together is because Far Cry New Dawn is a sequel of Far Cry 5. And talking about both these games is a first-person open-world shooting game which takes place in Hope Country. And the difference between both these games is Far Cry New Dawn takes place after 17 years after the collapse. And talking about the launch year, Far Cry 5 was launched in 2018, whereas Far Cry New Dawn was launched in 2019. And talking about the boss, to reach Joseph Seed in Far Cry 5, you have to kill the remaining Seed who are John Seed, Jacob Seed, and Faith Seed. And to kill the twins in Far Cry New Dawn, you have to take the help of Joseph Seed. And talking about the graphics is really realistic in Far Cry 5, and the graphics is a bit animated in Far Cry New Dawn, but both the games are pretty good. So coming on to the fourth game in this list, we have Watch Dogs 2. So Watch Dogs 2 was launched in the year 2016. And talking about this game, it is a third-person open-world game which is based on hacking. So the character that we get to be as a hacker is Marcus Holloway, who joins a hacking group called the DedSec to take down City's advanced surveillance system, also known as CTOS. And he does it by using some cool gadgets and weapons. And not only that, we get to hack literally anything: the drones, roads, and cars. And talking about the graphics are also pretty good. So before coming into the fifth game in this list, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit on that bell icon as well. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, link is in description. Please go and follow. So coming into the fifth game in this list, we have Just Cause 3. So this game was launched in the year 2015. And talking about this game is third-person action adventure game. And the main mission or task is to free the people from General Di Ravello who rules Medici. And other than that, we can do many side quests as well, like racing planes and games. And personally, I don't know why I like Just Cause 3 more than Just Cause 4. And other than that, you can enjoy Rico Rodriguez grappling hook, wingsuit, and parachute as well. Anyways, that's it for today's video, guys. If you do like it, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you all on my next video. So till then, peace.